Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat login problem. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat login problem, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of WeChat and we click. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you problems or issues. And after that you can turn off your phone. If it's not working, you can update your application on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.